4 billion people online every day. That's fat wallets loaded with cash to spend, but why aren't you taking their money? If you have a website, landing page, or sales page online, I have a simple question for you. Has it stuffed your pockets with sales and profits, or is it just sitting there like a lazy lump leaking cash while you pull your hair out? What if I told you that there's now a secret weapon, a total game changer, that sharp entrepreneurs are plugging into their sites right now to unleash a flood of red-hot leads and sales, leaving their competition choking on dust with their tired old-school tricks? Buckle up, because this is going to hit you like a thunderbolt. What if I showed you how you could tap into your website's insane sleeping potential, connecting with millions of daily visitors who are practically begging to throw money at you? Imagine your open rates smashing 98%, blowing emails measly 20% out of the water, and imagine your engagement rates soaring 70% higher than anything else out there. I'm talking about flipping your website from a total dud into a 24/7 cash printing money machine with Converstar. I won't sugarcoat this. If you're still slogging away manually, messing with pop-ups like a chump, tweaking your websites and sales pages, guessing what might work, and chasing every click, you're done. You'll burn out fast, drown in frustration, and watch millions slip away, while the smart players stack cash like it's nothing. That's why I'm practically bursting to rip the lid off Converstar today. Like I said, your website is a goldmine. Over 4 billion people online daily, wallets out, ready to spend, and Converstar is the master key that unlocks the vault. No other platform hooks folks so fast and so directly. With Converstar, your audience are glued to their screens, itching to buy your products and offers. Businesses using Converstar are not just winning, they're crushing it, doubling sales, tripling leads, and piling up profits like it's a heist. Imagine having $3,000 land in your bank account in just 30 days, or generating 250 leads in just a week, all from one line of code. Converstar is that one tool that can make that happen, without you working your butts off. Converstar is loaded with firepower. It explodes your leads with razor-sharp targeting. Imagine 250 or more new emails in a week, directly synced into your autoresponder with our inbuilt native integrations. No sweat, no hassles. It unleashes unlimited, personalized profit triggers, hitting thousands of your audience with pinpoint precision and raking in sales like a tsunami. It pumps out eye-popping hooks, live counters, countdowns, image campaigns, video campaigns, and even conversion social proof triggers like Russell Page from Miami recently purchased XYZ product 10 minutes ago. This kind AI-powered strategic triggers snatches your visitors and shoves them straight to checkout. And it's all automatic. Set it once and this software learns your traffic, tweaks every move, and prints cash 24/7 while you kick back with a cold one. No coding, no fuss, just pure profit power. One user plugged it in and banked $8,000 in a month, all hands off. This is like having profit-sniffing bloodhounds. It watches every visitor who lands on your site, figures out who's hot and who's not, and throws up killer hooks to grab them. They can't look away until they click and they buy, cash in your pocket. With Converstar enhanced with artificial intelligence, your Converstar campaigns are not just random, they're smart, timing every move to perfection. Then there's the lead game. Converstar's got these slick email collectors, little bars that show up and persuade your visitors to drop their contact information for future communications. It knows exactly when they're hooked, mid-scroll, and it snags those addresses like a pro, all with the power of artificial intelligence. No manual work. Set it up once, tell it what to do, and AI goes to work for you, generating leads for you around the clock, on autopilot. One user went from 0 to 250 signups in a week. That's a list ready to pay you over and over. It doesn't stop there. Converstar blasts image and video campaigns. You snap a pic or record a video of your hot product, load it up, and Converstar shoves it in front of the right eyes. Your sales spike overnight, just like that. It's got pop-ups too, not the annoying kind, but smart ones that yell out your offers loudly to your target audience, right when folks are about to bounce, keeping them on your site long enough to double your orders. All this runs on autopilot, no tweaking, no babysitting, just set it with one line of code and watch it print money for you. If you're ready to stop wishing and start banking, $50 a day, $500 a week, millions down the line. Smash that order button below and grab Converstar now. But you've got to hurry. This killer discount and bonus stack I'm throwing in for free vanishes soon. Investing in Converstar today helps you increase trust and boost your conversions at zero risk to you. This comes with a 30-day guarantee. So your purchase is 100% protected. In the unlikely event that you are not blown away by the results you got with your Converstar, simply request your money back and we will refund you every cent, no questions asked. If you're hungry to make money online, e-commerce, freelancing, digital marketing, consulting, blogging, products or services websites, sales pages or landing pages of any kind, in any niche whatsoever, Converstar is your golden goose. Don't let your site rot while others cash out. Join the thousands already optimizing their site's conversion results and printing money with Converstar today. Click the button below now!